Ah!
Sheena's family is able to manipulate Sheena the way that they do.
32 years old na yung anak mo! 32! Ulo ko. Ah! Hi guys, isa pang episode tayo ngayon. Manonood tayo ngayon ng 90 Day Fiancé. Parang gusto ko to gawing series. Kasi, ewan ko, sobrang addict talaga ako sa mga 90 Day Fiancé na mga videos na parang it reaches that certain catharsis na hinahanap palagi ng brain ko. Para akong si Sisyphus na nagpupush ng boulder paulit-ulit sa mountain. Parang yun yung nagbibigay sa akin ng fulfillment and happiness. Patuloy na panonood ng mga white people na tinatry nila mag-adjust sa mga Pilipina, sa culture ng Pilipina, tapos parang may irita sila sa kung ano yung attitude nila. Dahil yun yung culture ng mga passport bros.
Oh my goodness. Sheena and I have been waiting 7 years to meet up with each other, and I just want everything to go smoothly. But
My mom did not take kindly to Sheena lying about the money again.
Apology aside, there's still some things that have to be discussed before we can proceed.
He's texting me. He's already here. Feeling so happy and floating, enlightened feeling.
All right, here we
Las
go.
Piñas pala siya.
I actually have to go freshen up in the bathroom.
Go ahead.
Oh man, I
I'll
gotta
see you in
find
a
it.
minute.
This way.
Oh man, I just don't know how to feel on this whole situation.
Yeah.
Yung tatay, parang kamukha niya si ano? Parang kamukha niya yung si Mafia Boss. Hindi ba? Ako lang ba?
It's just, I mean, I think that I have these ideas of what I want to say because the emotions get there, the feelings get there.
Settle down, Molly, settle down.
Just breathe. This is gonna be good. Everything's gonna be at peace.
Parang awkward lang nun. Like, parang ano sabi ng director sa kanya? Talk to yourself in the mirror. Just say anything. Like, parang nag-isip na lang siya, ano yung pwede ko sabihin? Ang awkward lang isipin. Pero pangalawa, ano yung feeling nang galing ka sa magandang airport sa US, sa big of a mess na airport na meron kami dito sa Pilipinas? Sa mga foreigners na sinasabi na sa mga IG Reels na parang biggest goal is to save enough money and live in the Philippines. Sure kayo dyan? Gusto nyo talaga manirahan dito?
You got this. You got this. You're the man. Keep moving forward.
My mom did not take kindly to Sheena lying about the money again. She sent text messages to Sheena that made her
Really upset and hurt.
So I'm hoping that my mom will
Not fight with Sheena. Hey, Mom. Sheena and I have been waiting 7 years to meet up with each other, and I just want everything to go smoothly.
You look good. Let's get this fixed up a little bit. Here, let me get this little. There you go. You look good.
Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Are you
I'm ready.
This is your moment, okay?
So nervous.
Let's do this thing.
Here it comes. You got this. You will do fine. You tell her hello. You say, we'll just do whatever you feel.
Okay.
But
Go for it,
shoulders
Forrest.
back. You got this. Go, Forrest, go.
Thank you. I love you guys.
Ang daming tao. Ay, nakita na sila. Aww. Sana sila pa rin ngayon. Parang mukhang authentic naman yung iyak ni girl. Sheena and Forrest still together. 90 days. Oh! Oh! Despite hurdles such as opposition from Forrest's mother and Sheena's initial financial concealments, makapalimay kayo din. Aww! Sila pa rin hanggang ngayon. Okay. Hindi magiging good ending pala to.
Our journey's about to start, and we're gonna go to the next level. I love you too. Meeting you, getting to be with you finally, is my world,
My everything.
my everything.
Oh, Papa Bear.
She,
Oh, just miss you, baby. You're the best snuggle bear ever. I love you. It feels like heaven. That's the best I have ever felt. I love you.
Sheena, can I give you a kiss? Kissing you, it was ecstatic. She has some
Okay. I mean, ang sweet, pero parang, paano kaya, parang ang hirap kasi, parang yung pinapagawa sa kanila ng director, dinedescribe kung ano yung nararamdaman nila. Can you describe what you're feeling right now? Di ba ganun yung madalas? Can you describe, ano kaya, what can I, it feels, it's ecstatic. Like, parang, ang awkward, parang ang scripted.
really good like perfume or something on.
Actually, I put a lot of flavor, like fruit flavored perfumes in it. I know you're gonna love it.
Oh, I'm loving it right now. I think I got it all over me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I got mom and dad here too with us. I want us to be a big family.
Too hot to be crying horse.
I know. I'm having the same issue.
Oh boy. Seen Sheena cry, seen Boris cry, and then the big trigger was just Deb, and then that was the waterworks.
You're all right, Sheena. You're okay, okay? I was surprised that it got to me like that. I don't cry very often. And then right there, I couldn't hold it back, you know.
Sheena, I wanted to thank you for your apology yesterday. I mean, that really showed a lot to me. But I did want to ask you
Hindi natin
about
alam yung context.
a few things. Okay?
Okay, Mom. I'm listening.
And I need you to be able to look me in the eye, and I need you to be truthful with me 100%. You lied you lied to us about giving your parents the money. This was supposed to be you saving up money so you could come to America to be a family with us. And these were the plans all of these years. And then for it to just find out now, before we come here, that hasn't been happening.
So, parang,
Why have you lied to us all along?
okay, di ko pa alam yung buong context. So, from my understanding is, binigyan nila ng pera si Sheena para pera papunta sa US, or akala nila may pera si Sheena pang punta sa US. Okay. Tingin ko wala siyang pera siguro papuntang US and hindi sa binigyan nila siya ng pera. Hindi ko pa alam Kasi yung nakita ko sa Google, it ends up na dito sila nakatira sa Philippines eh. So, okay, tingnan natin.
I really owe you millions and thousands of explanations. I hope you could listen to my situation. The reason why that I happen to give my money to my parents is because being a breadwinner, it's a cultural thing in my country that we are obligated to help our parents around.
I mean, I completely understand giving your parents money, needing to help your family. That's what family does. But my issue with it is that you lied.
be honest, the reason also, that's the another reason that I was so scared, because my parents, my mom happened to guilt tripping me from time to time. If I don't give them money, she makes me feel that I'm such a selfish person, and it hurts me a lot.
Okay, but if I'm asking you a direct question, I need that direct answer. And even now,
Namang sagot gusto niya. Sinasabi niya na nga yung reason eh. Kasi nagiguilt trip siya ng nanay niya. Sabi niya may pera siya, pero kailangan niya magbigay sa parents niya. Kasi yun yung culture sa Philippines. Which is, alam natin lahat yun. Bilang Pilipino, alam natin yun. Although ako technically, blessed ako na nilagay ako ni God sa position ako saan. Hindi naman nanghihingi yung parents ko. Pero I can empathize with those na kailangan gawin yun. Alam niyo yun, na yun na nga explanation niya. Okay, nagsorry na siya, nagsinungaling siya. And yung reason kaya hindi niya na ano yung ano na yun is kasi na-provide niya nga yung pera sa magulang niya. Ano pa bang sagot gusto niya? Parang it's looking like na meron siyang sagot na hinahanap pero hindi yun yung sagot na binigay. Which is parang napakadaya nung framing ng question na yun kung ganun man. Kasi in-answer ka niya as honestly as she can. Tapos parang ayaw mo tanggapin yung reasoning niya. So, ewan ko lang. Sige, tuloy natin.
you haven't given me a direct answer as to why you continue to hide it.
Watching Sheena under my mom's pressure is just awful. I'm wanting to step in and defend her and protect Sheena, but at the same time, I don't understand what fears she had of telling me.
I was so fearful of my parents. They would say bad things to me. They would say bad things to other people.
Okay.
And it affects me emotionally, mentally, drains me every day.
No.
And it makes me feel so bad.
No. Sheena, I'm not asking you that. I'm asking you why you did not tell us.
I couldn't handle myself anymore because
I can't, Sheena, I can't understand what you're saying.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God. See, there's your manipulation. Put the tears. Please put your tissue down.
Nakakairita yung white girl, yung white person na yun. Ano ba? Nilalabas niya yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, tapos manipulation. Ay, nako.
Now, I'm really mad.
Ano ba yung gusto mong sagot? Sinabi niya na nga yung reason, kaya hindi nga niya kayang maano. Kung bakit siya nagsinungaling, siguro, pwedeng i-put two and two together. Gusto niya yung anak nyo, at the same time, gusto niya rin mag-provide sa pamilya niya. Hindi ba like, automatic na yun? Sinasabi, hindi niya ma-put into words, tapos manipulation agad? Ano ba? Ikaw ba never ka ba napunta sa sitwasyon na kung saan like, tinatry mong sabihin yung makakaya mo, pero dahil like parang nami-mixed emotions ka, like parang nahihirapan kang i-vocalize yung tunay mong nararamdaman, tapos sabihin mo agad manipulation? Like, ay ako, yun yung ayoko sa American culture. Dahil ang dami na nilang buzzwords na ginawa para na yung common basic empathy hindi nila mapakita sa ibang tao na parang, ay nako, siguro, yeah, yun yung gusto ko sa, although hindi naman siya sa lahat ng Pilipino, pero ewan ko, ako lang sa sarili kong opinion, mas empathetic yung mga Pilipino compared sa mga taga-US. So, yun lang naman.
I'm trying to have Sheena acknowledge actions that she did that weren't acceptable. So even if she did have good reason to give it all to her parents, what's the motivation for hiding it? We gotta get answers. I need you to really, please, point blank, you were giving your parents money. Why did you feel it was so necessary to not tell us?
Pero ba personal na ayaw niya lang sabihin?
I feel so scared that if I happen not to give them money, they would say bad things. They say so many mean things that I don't want to accept it. And I was so much I'm afraid that I
Ay, naku. Ano ba problema na itong
Does
boy?
this story make any sense to you at all? Honestly, when you try to look at it and without the tears and without
I cannot handle him anymore.
it doesn't make any sense to me at all. The pieces aren't just lining up. I'm sorry, but they're not lining up. It's very concerning because how do I even know that your feelings and plans are actually genuine? Oh, you were scared. Forrest would have come to me and said, "Mom, I gotta get on a freaking plane right now. I gotta go over there and save her." But it sounds to me you obviously weren't that scared that you couldn't tell him and that you could put up with it all that years and hide it. Forrest, does it make sense to you?
A lot of it, yeah. I understand that if you love your parents and you want to have love from them,
Yay!
you
Let's
do
go,
anything
Forrest!
to make them love you.
Yeah!
It's hard to say no to a parent, especially
That
when
still didn't
especially
answer the question as
It's hard for me to say no to you. It's hard for me to take up for her against you.
Yeah!
I believe Sheena is not trying to lie or
Let's go, Forrest! Yeah! Defend mo yung girlfriend mo. Good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Ay, nako. Nairita ako sa nanay. Ano ba sagot gusto niyang marinig? Yun na nga yung reason eh. Kasi nga natatakot nga siya sa ano. Bawal bang iput na lang? Okay. Bakit hindi mo sinabi sa amin na wala ka palang pera na wala ka palang enough pera para makamove sa US? Sagot niya is kailangan niya mag-provide sa magulang niya kasi siya yung breadwinner. Tapos nagi-guilt trip nila siya pag hindi siya nagbigay. Put two and two together. Okay, pwedeng mahal niya yung anak ko, pero syempre inuuna niya muna yung magulang niya and gusto niyang makasama yung anak ko, pero natatakot lang siya na aminin yun kasi baka ma-turn off sa kanya. Hindi kailangan mo pa bang i-force yung sagot na yun? Hindi ba pwedeng maki-empathize ka na lang? Na parang, okay, gets ko yung nararamdaman mo. Sige lang, hindi mo na kailangan na-explain sarili mo. Talagang kailangan mo pang dit-ditan ng gano'n na kita mo nang naiiyak yung babae tapos sabi mo pang manipulation.
use things as excuses. I think Sheena honestly doesn't know what to say. And she gets so overwhelmed, all she can get is blah, blah. You know, diarrhea of the mouth. I wouldn't be being a good boyfriend to Sheena if I just sat there and watched her flounder. Obviously, she knows she did wrong. What's your goal here? Just to sit here and keep beating her down?
Yeah!
I think what we have to do is we need to get Sheena away from her parents.
So when we knew this map was going to be based in China, 4 of us actually went there to experience it firsthand to make sure we could capture its beauty and observe.
Because ultimately, the root of this nasty tree is the parents. Sheena, we need to hear from you that you're ready to move forward and confront your parents about what we're going to do from now on.
I'm willing to take the risk to confront my parents. It is the only way to end this kind of problem.
which is what she should have done to set up with you
Yeah.
years and years
Yeah,
ago.
and we could sit there and we could talk about the past and he said, she said, he could do that, she cannot do that. It's time to move forward now.
Forrest?
I want to end this now.
Yeah.
I don't even want to talk about the parents anymore. I don't want to talk about anything. You're acting all hostile.
I'm not
Yeah, you are. And you're causing Sheena a lot of stress. You're
Yeah.
causing me a lot of stress. Tried to have a nice dinner, and our nice dinner turned into
Disaster.
It's okay, baby.
Imbis na maging cordial na lang ikaw sa fiancé ng anak mo, parang kailangan mo pa talaga maging taga-interrogate. Ano ba yun? Yun ba yung gusto mong example? Yun ba yung gusto mong mapakita na impression? Una kayong nagkita, yun na yun. Like, ano ba? Nagkamali na nga yung tao, nag-sorry na nga eh. Hindi pa ba enough yung sorry? Kailangan ba talaga mayroong full essay? Nahihirapan na nga siya mag-English eh. Ano ba gusto mo sa tao?
This is all wonderful. I didn't realize how truly beautiful the Philippines.
Yes. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
I mean, seeing this, meeting you,
Yes, Mom.
is so important. But there's still one little piece of the,
Ah!
and that's with your family. So I still really want to talk to them and discuss things.
Well, I'm glad that you brought up, Sheena's family. Sheena and I had a discussion about, going by ourselves to meet your parents and how it's important that I meet them before mom and
Yeah,
dad meet them.
tama.
So,
good
Mom,
decision, good decision.
I know that you wanted to go as a group to meet with Sheena's family, but we would really like it if you come the next day.
Forrest,
Isn't that right, babe?
It would be best if Forrest wanted to meet my family first so they could have a better understanding.
I can't even imagine what her parents would try and do if Forrest went over there by himself. If
Ah!
Sheena's family is able to manipulate Sheena the way that they do,
32 years old na yung anak mo! 32! Kaya niya na mag-decide ng kung ano yung tama at mali. Hindi na siya teenager na kailangan niya ng supervision. Ano ba? Ah! Tingin ko parang may nakaramdam ako kay Forrest na parang low confidence siya na parang alam mo yun na parang nahihirapan siya na mag-decide ganun. Tingin ko dahil yun sa yung nanay niya siguro overly controlling to the point na parang lahat ng decision niya like kino-question na, so doon siguro nanggagaling parang vibe ng low confidence. Kasi tingnan mo naman, hindi ba napaka-controlling nun? Talagang gusto niya talaga, ayaw niyang i-respect yung decision ng 32-year-old na anak niya. Kainit ng ulo.
with the whole tradition and the oldest daughter thing, and that we're broke, then who's to say they can't manipulate Forrest? I need to be there with Forrest and Sheena. I feel it is important that you have me and Dev to
Okay.
stand by your side. Just we will come in and say our greetings. Hello, how are you? No going and yelling and screaming. I promise. And so I was hoping that you would be in agreement to doing that, allowing us to come.
Mom, we're not saying that we don't want you to be there. We want you to be there. We just want you to go the next day. Because we can talk about special pink fairy dust and all this other great things, but we live in reality, okay? And in reality, you are a very hardcore person. You know you are going to go and look for anything
Tama!
to be said. And I'm an adult.
You
You
can
need
be
to
Correct!
be like an adult. I'm not a child anymore.
Correct!
And you should be able to trust
Yeah!
in our judgment.
I cannot trust Sheena yet. She has
This
not proved
is the
it.
perfect
And I cannot
opportunity.
trust you now.
This is the perfect
I
opportunity.
cannot trust you now.
Naiinis ako sa nanay! Ah! Ah! It's either wala kang tiwala sa parenting mo or sadyang controlling ka lang talaga na tao. Bakit kailangan nandun ka palagi? Yung parang ikaw yung tipo ng magulang na hindi pinapayagan na mawalan ng training wheels yung bike ng anak niya. Kasi natatakot ka palagi baka maaksidente siya. Parte na yun. Let him make his own decisions. Kung magkamali siya, learning experience yun. Mga magulang dyan, pabayaan niya lang magkamali yung anak nyo. Siguro hindi in a life-threatening way na makukulong sila or may expel sila sa school. Siguro wag yung ganun. Pero to the point na kung saan like, for example, heartbreak. pabayaan mong maranasan nila yung heartbreak para alam nila kung sino yung mga types of guys or girls na hindi na nila papatulan in the future. Or alam na nila kung paano sila umakto on how to be the ideal partner in the future. Like, example lang yun, pero pabayaan mo silang matuto on their own. Hindi ka habang buhay nandyan para i-hold yung hand nila. Kailangan nila matuto by themselves. So, huwag nyo gayahin nanay ni Forrest. Please, umiinit. Ulo ko. Ah!
Forrest, he will sacrifice his own self and do anything for Sheena. This was the whole reason why I came here, was to protect Forrest from Sheena's parents. This is total bull.
Okay guys, kung gusto niyo panoorin yung full context ng video, tingin ko panoorin niyo mismong TLC. TLC episode sa ano lang to sa YouTube lang to Pero nakakuha na tayo ng enough context sa kung ano yung dynamic nila, yung nanay ni Forrest, tapos yung girlfriend niya, yung si Sheena, yung alam na natin kung ano yung dynamic nila. So, masasabi ko is magandang panoorin niyo mismo yung full episode kung saan nyo kaya mapanood. Maganda legally. Sana di tayo makapiright dito, Lord, please. Pero, ayun, na-enjoy natin to. If gusto nyo ng gantong content, subscribe, like, and comment down below ng mga opinion nyo. And sa mga magka-cut dyan, tara, cutting season na, boys. Let's go! Ah!